Imagine stepping into a home where every area rug looks and feels as fresh as the day it was bought. That's the magic touch of professional rug cleaning in Boca Raton. Dive behind the scenes with us, where skilled experts meticulously rejuvenate your cherished rugs. From Oriental to Persian, hand-woven to antique, each rug is treated with the utmost care and precision. Not only do we restore your rugs to their former glory, but we also share essential maintenance tips. Whether it's about the right padding installation or the delicate cleaning of specific materials, we've got the insider knowledge you need. Don't let another day pass with a less than pristine rug underfoot. Reach out now to book your cleaning service and snag a special discount just for our community. Keep your Boca home spotless with our expert advice. Visit ecofreshbocaraton.com or call 561-202-3373 to schedule an appointment today.